If Gamma is feeling slow, delayed, or choppy, you're definitely not alone. A laggy browser experience usually means your computer is working too hard to process Gamma's heavier layout scripts, and in many cases, the browser is relying more on the CPU than the GPU. The good news is that there are a few quick fixes that can make a big difference, and in this video I'll walk you through them step by step. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. It really helps the channel and it keeps you updated with more simple tech guides. Let's start with the most common fix, and that is turning on hardware acceleration in your browser. If you're using Google Chrome, click the three vertical dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. In the left menu, click System. Here, you'll see an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Make sure this is turned on. This allows Chrome to use your graphics card instead of relying only on your CPU, which can help Gamma run much smoother. After turning it on, Chrome will usually ask you to relaunch the browser. Go ahead and restart it so the change can take effect. This one step alone can solve a lot of lag issues, especially if Gamma was freezing when you were typing or moving cards around. If the app has a lot of visual elements open at once, hardware acceleration can make the interaction feel much more responsive. Next, let's free up browser RAM and system resources. Gamma works best when your computer has enough memory available, especially because it renders multi-slide canvases and heavier design elements in the background. If you've got dozens of tabs open, that can slow everything down fast. Close any tabs you don't need right now, especially heavy sites like YouTube, streaming platforms, large spreadsheets, or other apps that use a lot of memory. Even a few extra tabs can make a difference if your system is already under pressure. A simple way to test this is to leave only Gamma open, then check whether typing and dragging feel smoother. If they do, the issue was likely not Gamma itself, but the amount of browser memory being consumed by everything else running at the same time. If you're working on a lower-end laptop or an older desktop, this step becomes even more important. Now for another very useful trick, open Gamma in an Incognito window. This helps you bypass browser extensions that may be interfering with the app. Sometimes ad blockers, script blockers, grammar tools, or other add-ons can slow down web apps without you realizing it. To test this, open a new Incognito window in Chrome and sign back into Gamma there. If the app runs better in Incognito mode, then one of your extensions is probably causing the lag. If that happens, you can go back and disable your extensions one by one in a regular window until you find the one creating the problem. This is a great troubleshooting method because it helps you isolate the issue without changing anything permanent. You should also make sure your browser is updated. An outdated browser can create performance problems, compatibility issues, and random stuttering inside web apps like Gamma. In Chrome, you can check for updates from the settings menu and then restart the browser if needed. Keeping your browser current helps ensure you're getting the best performance and the latest stability improvements. If Gamma still feels slow after that, try restarting your computer. It sounds basic, but it can clear out memory usage, background tasks, and temporary glitches that build up over time. A fresh restart often gives web apps a noticeable speed boost, especially if you've had your system running for a while. So to quickly recap, if Gamma is lagging, first turn on hardware acceleration in Chrome, then close unused tabs to free up RAM, and finally try opening Gamma in an Incognito window to rule out extension conflicts. Those three steps solve a lot of common performance issues and can make the app feel much smoother almost immediately. If this video helped you fix the Gamma lagging problem, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. And if you're still having trouble, leave a comment below and let me know what device and browser you're using, and I'll try to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.